How about one for the Mustang fans? Here's a 1971 Ford Mustang Grande Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Believed to be an original mile car according to the previous owner. Odometer has 66,036 on it at the moment. 302 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a C4 automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Of course, the iconic Mustang grille. Headlight bezels, bright work. Nicely equipped car too. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Original paint coat on this car, M. So white exterior. 4B trim code. Blue cloth and vinyl combination bucket seats. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Magnum 500 style wheels. Firestone Firehawk radials. Good look on this car, no doubt about that. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Great stance of the car. Black vinyl top, also in nice shape. There's that blue interior. The bucket seats. Obviously kind of an aftermarket console has been added, which would be nice for cup holders, a little storage and armrest. AM radio is working. A couple aftermarket gauges down below the dash. We're going to get around to the driver's side. Start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason will take it for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. A couple items that will go with it. Looks like there's a front license plate bracket as well as a jack that will go in the car and off to the new owner. There you can see dual exhaust exiting the rear of the car. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. No shakes or vibrations. Drives out well. Brakes 70% in the front, 40% in the rear. Wipers also work. That radio works. It's one of those cars. Get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There will also be a copy of the Marty report that'll go along with it. And you can see that in the still pictures also as we look down this driver's side. If you like Mustangs, no matter what vintage, maybe it's a specialty Mustang, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Couple very minor little itty-bitty touch-up spots on that driver's side. And again, I mean, nothing major on this car as far as nicks, dings, scratches. It has a great look to it. This body style also coming around in popularity some, no doubt about that. Good look at the door panel. Nice shape. If you want to see the door tag, that'll be in the still pictures if you want to do any sort of decoding. You can see the seats are in nice shape. They do appear to be original seats also, which would kind of coincide with that belief of original miles in this car. All right, let's fire it up. Good sounding car too.
It's not because of... We'll talk about it. It was kind of fun. Survivor Brenda.
The radio working, as you can hear. Let's see, gauges down below. Whatever there. Oil pressure and temp. So temp hasn't moved. That's a cold start. Oil pressure's up. Nice throttle response. Fuel gauge working. Notice the clock was in up. Dash, little discoloration in a couple little spots. Not bad though. Nothing that's going to stop you from enjoying this car. So headliner and shoulder belts intact, looking good. Seat belts front and rear. Door closes great. Oh, listen to this. And that's a 302. That sounds good. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna get this hood open. We're gonna check out the engine bay. And like I said earlier, stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take this for a drive. Underside of the hood. Nice and clean, looking good. And here it is, look at all this equipment. Again, power brakes, power steering, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. HI ignition. 302 with a Holley 4-barrel. Battery disconnect for in between drives when it's in storage. Good looking engine bay. 1971 Ford Mustang Grande Coupe. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1971 Mustang. This the Grande package. Horns working. This is an automatic right here between the seats down on the floor, so it's easy to drive. Nice smooth runner, nice rumble to this car. The Philco radio working.
Ride the wave, baby.
That appears to be original from Philco. The blower motor also working. Waiting for Pokey here. All right, let's go. Turn signal also working. There's a little squeak in the rear strut. I believe that's what it is. The speedometer is a little jittery, but it does work. Oh, once you get up to 55, it's steady. Now it's reading a little fast in my opinion as well. To the left we have a clock. We have a fuel gauge right here reading a little less than half of a tank. Down below, the dash temperature gauge does not come off of 130 yet. It's only been running 5 minutes probably. The oil pressure is at 70. That looks excellent. There, you heard that. If you heard that, that was the rear. Beautiful bucket seats. Certain parts of this car appear really to have survived well. Unless the seats are recovered, they look amazing. In between the seats, a color matched cup holder and storage. This car started up and idled great right away. Brakes are nice and smooth. Power steering. Corners nicely. This car does not lean very much in the corners. You think of a 71, what would be considered a muscle car. You don't think about cornering. This one corners quite well. Find all the pictures of this 71 Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.